Hello sir, good day po. I am Galjud Empadilla and from Block 3H. Then what is Allocate or IAM and Laravel and how does it simplify database interactions? Allocate or IAM is Laravel's tool for working with database using models instead of raw SQL. Then it makes crowd um, crowd meaning is create, read, update, and delete. Then it operations simple by treating database records as objects, so the code is cleaner and easier to read. Then number two, how does Laravel handle HTTP requests and define routes? When a user sends requests through a URL. Then Laravel checks the routes defined in a web.php or API PHP. These routes then decide whether to load a controller or run a function or return a view. Then number three, explain the rule of late templating engine and Laravel. The answer is Blade is Laravel templates engine used for building views. It allows mixing PHP with HTML neatly, supports reusable layouts and makes the code more organized and manageable. And then next, number four, what are the security features provided by Laravel? Um, Laravel provides several security features such as CSRF tokens. It prevents fake submissions, XSS protection, block harmful scripts, then password hashing, secure your secure the user data, then SQL injection protection, safe queries, and authentication or authorization, manage logins and permissions. Then the last, how does Laravel support uh, task scheduling? Laravel has a built-in scheduler where you can define recurring tasks like sending emails or cleaning logs. These, these tasks are managed in one file and executed automatically through a single cron job. And that's all, sir. Thank you po.